Okay guys, so the next one that we're going to take you through is called a bridge, and we're going to show you your beginner and then your intermediate and then the advanced. So on bridges we may actually have a fourth one of this one. So sometimes on our patients that are really flared up, I'll actually just have them doing pelvis tilts and relaxation. So you see how I'm getting the space here and then closing it? So sometimes that can actually be a fourth beginning level for our patients who are in a lot of pain. So our beginner level though is going to be good breathing through the abdomen, and we're going to push the butt up towards the ceiling. Okay, nice core and good breathing. And then so what we're going to do next for our intermediate, we're going to cross the leg over, okay? And then we're going to go up and then down. So good breathing through the abdomen, up and down. And then for our most advanced version, we're going to do with the leg up, good breathing, good core, and we'll go up and down. So I wanted this to be all body weight, but you could also do this with a band around the hips.